First, you'll need two things, one image prompt and one video prompt. I've already prepared both for you on my website, so just check the link in the description. Step 1. Generate the image. First, copy the image prompt that you got from my website. Then go to invideo.io and log in. Link is also in the description. Once you're logged in, create a new project and name it anything you want. After that, click on the Generate More button. Now paste the prompt into the prompt box. Then upload your selfie right here. Next, choose the model Nano Banana 2. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. For batch generation, you can choose up to 4 images at once, so feel free to pick what you need. Then select the resolution. You can go with 1K, 2K, or even 4K for better quality. Once everything is set, click Generate and wait a few seconds. Done! Now just pick one of the results that you like the most and download it. Step 2. Generate the video. First, copy the video prompt from my website. Then go back to InVideo and click Generate More again. This time, choose the video generation model, Kling 3.0 Video. Or if you want, you can try other models too. Now upload your selfie as the first frame, and the image you generated earlier as the last frame. After that, paste the video prompt into the prompt box. Make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16. Set the duration. 8 seconds is already perfect for this trend. For resolution, choose the highest option, which is 1080p. Now click Generate and wait a few minutes. And done! Your viral AI face mask video is ready to go. All that's left is to upload it to your social media and join the trend. So yeah, now you've got no excuse not to try this. Go make your own AI face mask video. And don't forget, everything you need is already in the description.